That's not good. We just got 21 inches of powder. Let's try and dig some of this out. I'll just give you folks an idea of how deep the snow is. And it's above the kneecap on that bank right there, probably a little bit below that everywhere else. But when we get heavy snowstorms, or any snowstorm for that matter, I like to park cars on the grass. That way when you clear the cars off, that snow, that compacted snow now stays on the grass, and it's just much easier to clear off the driveway that way. Well, now we need to try and cut a path into the cars so we can clear them off and get them out of here. Some deep stuff. That's not good. That'll do it. Let's dig at the entrance to the sugar shack and see how this stack of firewood survived. Well, there's a good bit of weight on the roof here. Might have to do something about that. But that's a lot of snow. The TV survives. Wonderful. So back in the day when I had a snow plowing business, I offered snow removal off the top of cars as an extra service. And back in the day I used a soft bristle sweeping brush for the floor to clean off those cars. Probably not the best thing. But since then, I found this product. This is made by Snow Joe, not sponsored by them. It's kind of like a styrofoam material, and this is just fantastic for removing snow off the top of cars. On the back side, you have a scraper too. I think this is one of the earlier models, but the great thing about these, whether you have an early model or a later model, they all collapse to a very compact form. You know, the snow head comes off the handle clips onto the snow head, and this store is flat in your trunk or wherever in your vehicle, so these things are worth their weight in gold. But we do need to remove some of the weight off that tin roof on the Sugar Shack. I don't have a roof snow scraper, so we're just gonna duct tape this onto this pole for a pole skipper. We'll see if that works. Furthermore, today's video is not sponsored by Cliff Builder Bars or Coca-Cola. However, these two items are giving me the sustained energy to make it through the day. Maybe that sponsorship thing will change one day. You know, on another side note, I decided to give up alcohol 11 days ago. I don't have a drinking problem, but you know, at the end of a hard day, I'd have a shot of whiskey or something to kind of take the edge off. But I was putting on a little bit of weight. After giving up alcohol for 11 days now, I have lost weight. I do 10 push-ups at the end of every day. I feel a lot healthier, and my mental clarity has really improved, so just something to think about. Not that Coca-Cola is a whole lot better for you, but when you're working hard, it's a nice little treat to keep you going. Simple, effective. One of the thousands of reasons why you should always keep a roll of duct tape on hand. While I'm at it, I guess I should clear off the tarp on the wood stack. I know, you guys keep telling me, oh, you gotta build a wood shed. Maybe one of these days. All right, let's see if we can work these cars out of the bank.